In this case, it's all about high walls. So what are the kinds of things that we're detecting? Using just drone imagery, building a 3D photo model, AI can detect things like the crests and toes, and therefore know where all of the high walls are. It can know what's a bench, what's a high wall, and it can use that to then work out what the face angle is, what the face height is, what the catch bench widths are, and what interramp angle is as well. So you can get a lot of these analyses done that are, often, people spend a few hours on going around measuring all of this stuff. You can just have this automatically as soon as you get your 3D model back. The slope failure predictions. And the final thing on the slope and high wall side is the ability to detect joints and bedding planes. So benefits of this, obviously we're preventing wall failures. That's the number one thing. We're here for safety. So we're trying to stop these incidents from happening before they happen. But the second thing is that we're preventing ore sterilization. It's a big part of this too, is, we don't want to have our walls too steep so that they have this potential to fail. But then also we don't want to have our walls potentially too shallow. Otherwise we're sterilizing ore unnecessarily. So it goes both ways. There's a balance that we want to strike, and we're helping do both things. And then finally, we're preventing rework. So because we're detecting things early, we're preventing the situation where, for example, we go to leave a catch bench and then we realize that it's too narrow. But if we realize that too late, we might have already, developed, moved a ramp. We might have developed the levels above it. We might have really shot ourselves in the foot and made it difficult to get back in there and widen out the catch bench. So it can then cost a lot more money later on to go and fix something like that. Whereas by being able to catch it early, if we're doing these flights every few days and we're seeing that the catch bench was too narrow as soon as we created it, then we're able to prevent that future cost. So this is a lot of the ways that the high wall assessments can provide value to sites.